Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo 13X-G4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo 13X-G4 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise from various reasons, often related to a faulty power supply or a dead battery. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further complications, potentially resulting in data loss or a complete device failure. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the Lenovo 13X-G4 over and removing the screws on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, being careful not to damage the clips holding it in place. With the back cover off, locate the battery and the power connector. This is often the component that fails, so check for any visible signs of damage or swelling. If you find the battery is faulty, gently disconnect the power connector by pulling it straight out. Be cautious and avoid pulling on any nearby wires to prevent damage. Now, carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. You may need to remove additional screws that secure the battery in place. When replacing it, ensure you align the new battery correctly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the power connector, ensuring it fits snugly into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reconnected, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert all screws into the back panel, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened to avoid stripping them. To verify that your Lenovo 13X-G4 is working properly, turn it on and check that it powers up as expected. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check your device's battery health and avoid letting it drain completely. Additionally, ensure you use the correct charger for your device to maintain optimal battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.